Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to disable pre-installed apps on your Android phone. Some apps come already installed on your phone when you buy it. If you do not use certain apps, you may be able to disable them so they do not run normally or appear in your app list. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and look for Apps, App Management, or Applications. Tap on it to see the apps installed on your device. Now, find the pre-installed app that you want to disable. You can scroll through the list, or use the search bar if your phone has one. Tap on the app to open its app info page. Look for the Disable button. If the Disable option is available, tap on it. Your phone may show a warning explaining what can happen when you disable the app. Read the message carefully. If you are sure that you want to disable the app, tap Disable App or Disable to confirm. The app will now be disabled. Depending on your phone, the app may no longer appear in your regular app drawer, and it should no longer run normally in the background. Keep in mind that disabling an app is different from uninstalling it. A pre-installed system app may not be removable because it is part of the Android system or your phone manufacturer's software. In these cases, you may only see the Disable option, or the option may not be available at all. It is important to be careful when disabling pre-installed apps. Some apps are required for important phone features, and disabling them could cause certain functions to stop working properly. If you are not sure what an app is, it is better to leave it enabled. If you later decide that you want to use the app again, you can usually return to its app info page and tap Enable. The app will then be available on your phone again. The exact settings and options may be different depending on your Android phone and Android version. If you cannot find the app settings, open Settings and use the search bar to look for Apps or App Management. And that's it. You now know how to disable pre-installed apps on your Android phone. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.